Okay, so we are all here learning Chavacano, and today we are going to guess the Chavacano phrases in movie scenes. Yay! Wait, okay, so let's... Guys! There's more! So we will be guessing like 2 to 3 or 3 plus movie scenes, and whoever guesses the most is the winner. Yes! Okay,
Comment down below if you guessed all of them.
Yeah. Okay,
Like
so...
and subscribe!
Okay, so let's get to it.
Yo no soy Celine, así que para ya compara conmigo con ella.
Tama! Di ikaw si Celine. Inun ka to siya Celine.
Celine is dead. Hindi na siya babalik, Ellie. Pero hanggang ngayon, umaarte ka pa rin na parang nandito siya.
Nandito siya. Dahil nandito siya.
Kung nandyan siya, nasaan ako? Anong lugar namin mga gustong magmahal sa'yo?
The movie scene is entitled Barcelona, a Love Untold. The Chavacano phrase used is Yo no soy Celine, meaning, hindi ako si Celine. My God, Kali! Ang tagal-tagal na nun!
Pero yung matagal na nun, nandito pa rin!
That was just one mistake! Isa lang!
Maging isa, dalawa, o tatlo! Todo sila igual! Ano sa'yo? Tumegan niya, ste!
Yo estaba borracho!
Lintay na mga palusot dyan! Kahit lasing ka, alam mo kung anong ginawa mo!
The movie scene is my ex-advice. And the Chavacano phrase is, yo estaba borracho, meaning, lasing ako nun! Ew! Yucky! Kahit anong gawin nyo, hindi ko kayo makaka-level. Mga cheap lang kasi kayo.
Ate mo ah!
Bakit? May ganito ba kayong mga damit? Palibhasa, mga poor lang kasi kayo. Pobre, pobre, pobre.
Bating! Bating! Bating!
Mga difícil kasi kayo.
Ano difícil ha?
Hindi mahihirap, ano ba? Tsaka, dead hungry kasi kayo. Dead hungry, ha? Hindi naman patay gutom. Bobo.
Ikaw lang yun!
The movie scene was from the movie Super Ringo. The Chavacano phrase is, pobre, 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 meaning, poor, poor, poor.
People never change. Science tells us that the genetic impact predetermines your fate, your character, your choices. Nacido ya bobo, hombre ya bobo, morirá ya bobo.
The movie scene is from the movie The Gifted. And the Chavacano phrase is, Nacido ya bobo, hombre ya bobo, moriría ya bobo. And it means, you were born bobo, you will grow up bobo, and you will die bobo.
Alam mo ba yung paglulong mo sa sugal hanggang paglaki mo, maloloko ka na dyan? Hanggang magkaasawa ka na, magkaanak ka na. Mapapabayaan mo ang buhay mo. Maloloko mo yung buhay mo.
Ikaw rin naman ginagawa mo kung ano gusto mo. Bakit kami hindi pwede?
Wala akong ginagawang masama.
Akala mo lang wala, pero tiene!
That movie scene is from the movie Bata Bata, Paano Ka Ginawa. The Chavacano phrase is tiene, 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 meaning
Meron, meron, meron.
break time! Spaghetti! Hombres, gusto niyo spaghetti? Are you competing with me?
¿Está usted amenazado?
Tráelo.
My spaghetti has sauce made with freshly picked tomatoes from the high mountains of Italy. ¿Qué tal el tuyo?
My spaghetti has banana ketchup with antioxidants, antihistamine, anti-inflammatory, antibiotics with glutathione and silymarin extract with ginkgo biloba E. Pero espera, there's more.
That movie scene was from the movie Super Parental Guardians. The Chavacano phrase used was Try Love, meaning bring it on.